Welcome to Pure Health. Today, we're diving into the world of cucumbers, scientifically known as Cucumis sativus, have a long history of cultivation that dates back to ancient India, over 3,000 years ago. They were later introduced to other parts of Asia, Europe, and eventually the Americas. This crisp, refreshing vegetable is a staple in many cuisines and is widely recognized for its numerous health benefits. Cucumbers are more than just a hydrating snack. They offer a range of health benefits. Hydration. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, making them an excellent choice for staying hydrated. Weight loss. Low in calories and high in water content, cucumbers can help with weight loss. Skin health. The anti-inflammatory properties of cucumbers can reduce puffiness and soothe the skin. Antioxidants. Rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, cucumbers can help prevent the accumulation of harmful free radicals. Digestive health. The fiber in cucumbers aids digestion and helps prevent constipation. Cucumbers are packed with essential vitamins and nutrients, including vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Magnesium, vital for muscle and nerve function. Fiber, aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Cucumbers can be enjoyed in various ways: raw, sliced in salads, or eaten as a snack. Pickled, transformed into pickles for a tangy treat. Infused water, added to water for a refreshing, hydrating drink. Juice, blended into smoothies or juices. Skin care, used in facial masks or directly applied to the skin to reduce puffiness and hydrate. Several studies have highlighted the benefits of cucumbers. A study published in the Journal of Aging Research and Clinical Practice found that cucumber extract can improve skin hydration and reduce wrinkles. Research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated that cucumber extract has potential anti-diabetic properties. Another study in the Journal of Food Science showed that cucumbers have significant antioxidant activity, which can help reduce oxidative stress. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and wellness advice, subscribe to Pure Health and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the next video. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess.